In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how the world's most complete viral funnel builder will grow your audience and bank accounts like never before. And starting today, how it will remove the need for you to purchase any funnel builder ever again. And for the first time ever, how Viral Loops will have your opt-ins become an affiliate army, driving more traffic and sales to your opt-in from their audience. I will show you the same technology that generated 11,745 subscribers from 1,000 visitors. And then I am going to double your money back if you don't get any result from what I'm about to show you. First, let me begin by showing you an example of a viral lead funnel. A viral lead funnel allows you to generate leads by giving away something valuable for free. When people sign up, they get access to your lead magnet and become your subscribers. Now, this is the interesting part. These new subscribers then get their own unique link to share your campaign with their friends and family to unlock further rewards. Now, this creates a viral loop where every new subscriber goes through the same exact 2 steps and sends you even more. Now, with viral lead funnels, you can easily create viral contests, giveaways, sweepstakes, or even a viral waiting list in just minutes. Let's get started by creating a new campaign. You could choose if you want to use our landing page builder to create a new landing page for your campaign, or you want to create a widget that you can embed on your current page builder like ClickFunnels, WordPress, Groove Pages, Funnel.io, and any other page builder. You could build from scratch or choose from any of our done-for-you templates. But in this case, let's build from scratch. The first step is to create a landing page for your campaign. Now, you create more than one and test for the winner. Drag and drop sections to build your landing page. You can delete any section or rearrange the sections. Everything is editable. Let's start by editing the text. You can also modify the backgrounds of any section. You can upload images from your computer to the gallery or choose from a library of over 7 million royalty-free stock images to make your page beautiful. This is a smart opt-in form right here, and you can choose either a direct opt-in form like this or a 2-step opt-in form. Now, the 2-step opt-in will require your visitors to click on a button before the opt-in form appears as a pop-up. This makes use of a psychological principle called commitment and consistency. Because visitors have completed the first step by clicking the button, they're more likely to do the second action, enter the email. If you choose the 2 steps, you could preview and edit the pop-up. Also, you can enable the opt-in with Facebook button to allow your visitors to subscribe to your list through their Facebook account, so you capture their best email address. You could also kill 3 birds with 1 stone by building SMS